Yeah, what's poppin', y'all? Thanks for tuning into today's video. It's going to be on a pair of Do the Right Thing 3s, and what I'm going to be showing you today is how to do a midsole repaint and a back heel tab repaint. To me, I'm looking forward to this video because it's a shoe that I've been wanting to work on for such a long time just because of its unique colorway. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Just let me know what y'all think in the comments.
I got flavor. I met your chick, that's my neighbor. I got flavor. Me and your chick, yeah, we neighbors. I got flavor. I went outside and grabbed the paper. I got flavor. I waved and said I'll see you later. I got
Alright people, anytime you're working with the shoe, you always want to make sure you get your prep work right. Right now what I'm doing is I'm stripping all this factory paint off this midsole just so that I have a smooth, flush surface to work with. You want to make sure you do this with every shoe because you never want to paint over a lumpy, deteriorated midsole, and it just makes sure that the repaint lasts longer and looks better. Also guys, the reason that I did tape this upper off is because the materials that I'm using can damage that suede. We want to make sure that doesn't happen, so I took some extra precautions just to make sure that this restoration comes out perfect.
bring it back, bring it back. Let me get some sugar, brown sugar. Down on my luck, oh fuck. Just spent a G on my truck. Just spent half of my paycheck on bills that I had back when I ain't had none. Loved the white girls back in high school, son. But in high school, man, I ain't have one. But when I graduated, I was getting acquainted. But let me tell you what I found, yo, that ain't that fun, Make room for my attitude.
As you can see right now guys, I'm starting to go over this midsole in that white color. I'm going to cover the entire midsole as opposed to just the parts that are white, because as I start to paint the Do the Right Thing 3 color, it'll pop more with the white base, and that's just better because it'll take less coats and it'll look a lot better in the end. I highly recommend doing at least 5 to 6 light coats in this white just so that it stays opaque and flush throughout the entire shoe.
Hey. Anyway, I got flavor. Oh yeah. I met your chick, that's my neighbor. I got flavor. Oh yeah. Me and your chick, yeah, we neighbors. That's my neighbor. I got flavor. Sazon. I walked outside and grabbed the paper. I got flavor. I waved and said I'll see you later.
Yeah, so on this Do the Right Thing 3 colorway, I recommend doing at least 4 to 5, maybe 6 coats. I did about 5 and it came out perfect. As you can see with this white base, the yellow is already popping pretty well. You guys probably think I'm stupid crazy for doing this without tape, but that's because I have experience. Just so you guys know, you can use this method that I'm using. I start my brush at the edge and I bring it towards the middle, and then I go over it with this sideways motion. That helps me a lot, and I hope you guys can learn from this too. This did take a while to master, but slow and steady wins the race. Especially when it comes to doing repaints like this, if you want it to come out perfect, patience is key. I can't emphasize that enough. When working on heel tabs, you gotta keep in mind, it's a small area to cover, but there's a big room for error. So what I always do is use a super detailed brush and super light coats. This always ensures that there's no brush strokes and it always comes out as a super clean paint job. I know I didn't include this in the video, y'all, but whenever you're done with the repaint, make sure you throw a matte finish on there to protect your work. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. I appreciate it so much. Make sure you like, comment what you didn't like, comment what you didn't like, and let me know what shoe you think I should work on next, and subscribe most of all. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and until next time, I'll see you later.